Okay, welcome back to JTT Math Easier, Calculus 2. We're still talking about inverse trig functions. Again, this is the same trig function I showed you in the previous videos. Arcsecant, arcsine, and arctan, just memorize them. They will be used a lot. And for this problem, I picked it out because I thought it was a really good problem since it has a variable on top of the numerator. On the numerator. So I know a lot of people have to freak out about it, but it's easy to attack, so we're going to start on it together. And this is in the Larson book. It's section 5.7 of the homework, and it's just number 9, but just in case. T1 minus t to the 4th all over the square root. So first we look at this, and we obviously know what formula we're going to use, right? I mean, I understand that there's a variable in front here, but don't be afraid of it. And this is to the dt, sorry. And obviously we know this is going to be arcsine. Arcsine u over a plus c. Don't forget my plus c. Okay. So if we want to start labeling it, we could say our a is 1. But this, a lot of people like to say a lot of people will probably go with my u squared is t to the 4th, and then my u be u to the t to the 2nd. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. We could simplify this a little bit further, which we're going to do. So we're going to go t over 1 minus t squared to the 2nd power square root dt. So when we do that, we could label our u as t squared dx. I know you guys are saying, well, you said not to do that. But the reason why I'm saying to do this is because this we could solve it even further, because obviously we're supposed to get to the down it's because we want dx by itself. So what we're going to do is go du, and this obviously would be 2t equals dx, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to replace the dt here with the du. So by doing that, you'll see that something is going to cancel out. So again, I know it's a lot of writing, but we have to do it. 1 minus, and since we're doing this, we have to obviously replace this. So our u here is 2t. So we're going to go u, because this is replacing the whole thing, but we still have that 2 in front, to the 2nd power square root du 2t. So by doing this, what happens is that this cancels out and this cancels out. We still have a 2, but you can think of this as a 1/2, and we can obviously take that outside. So we go 1/2 minus du 1 minus u to the 2nd power all over the square root. And that matches perfectly with the arcsine. So we're going to go arcsine u, which is 2t, over 1. You could put 1, you don't have to, because obviously we all know that what happens to it, plus c. And what I like to do, especially when we still have this 1/2, I can put this in brackets just in case, and put the 1/2 in front here. So that's how you solve it. Sorry for the messiness of it, but you get the gist of it. So hopefully this helped, and thank you for watching JTT Math Easier.